Morning, Fox. Today we got 2017 Chevrolet Silverado with 5.3 liter engine. I will show you where is located the oil filter and how many quarts use this engine. And I will say thanks for subscription, Fox. Okay, this is the 2017 Chevy Silverado. They use it as the engine, the 5.3 liter engine. Okay, this is nice engine. This is for the direct injection. Okay, I will use it the high miles. The engine over 70,000 miles. This truck got 100-some-thousand miles. Okay, I will use a Mobile 1 1030 high miles oil. Okay, this particular truck, they use a quarter, the motor oil, a quarter. Gallon, 1 gallon plus 3/4. Okay, the oil filter is pH. Uses the mark from. This is how we started show you how is for drain the oil. Okay, look in the driver's side underneath the driver's side. This truck is very high. You don't need foot jacket stand, anything around there. Just to go underneath, and you can see the oil filter and the motor oil plug. Okay, this is the oil plug besides the oil filter. Okay, folks, we go get the tools for started drain the oil. Remember, when you change the oil, better is in the morning when the car is cold. See, if you was driving your car, the best thing is parking lot for hour and 2 hours for cool off. Okay, folks. Okay, the next step is we use the 15 millimeters socket and we started losing the oil plug. Okay, in this case, the car was driving a parking lot for 30 minutes for cool off. I will put some gloves and some plastic bag on to protect my hands, and then I will take very quick for don't get oil on my hand. Okay, I will take it. When you was turning, you feeling when this close to out, this is for you to pull your hand faster. Okay, I will start draining the oil. After that, check the oil plug. They got one seal. Make sure the seal be good. If not, replace the seal. Okay, they got some rubber seal. In this case, another car use plastic seal, whatever, cover seal, aluminum seal, but this is a rubber seal. Okay, this case is be good. Okay, I will start to put the plug back. Use the finger tight and then get close to the oil pan, and then with the tools use a turner 3/4 round for tight. That's it. Next step is remove the oil filter. The oil pan was on the floor. Move a little bit size because the oil filter, they got some oil inside too. So when you get loose, they drain some oil too. Just put the range, the oil filter range, loosen the oil filter, and then make a couple of rounds off, and you see the drain started oil. Wait until the oil get off, and then remove the oil filter. Okay, we started to remove the oil filter. Okay, remove the oil filter and put in the bucket. Okay, we are ready to put a new oil filter. Okay, this is the new oil filter. Take the filter out the box, put a little bit of oil on the gasket, and make sure the oil gasket was come out. Clean the base, and started turning in the oil filter. Use your hand until the filter touch on the base, and then with the oil filter wrench, tight 3/4 around. Okay, folks, we are already underneath. The plug is tight, the filter is tight, and next step, go under the truck and put the oil in the engine. Okay, we remove the oil cap, we put the funnel, and we started drain slowly the motor oil. Okay, we started put the oil. This container is 5/4. It's a gallon plus 1/4. It says 5/4. This oil container, 5/4. We fill it up all with, because this engine is filled 8/4. So we put a 5 plus 3 more quarter. Okay, the oil is gonna be in the way. Don't put faster, it's just slow, because the oil needs to be down the engine. Because if you put it faster, sometimes it gotta overflow. So it needs to be put slow on the. Okay, folks, almost done the 5/4. Okay. Okay, the 5/4 is done. This is 5/4, 6, 7, 8/4. Okay, we started filling up another 3 more quarter. Okay, it's 6. 2 more quarter. Seven. Don't drain faster, it's low anyway. Needs to be wait all the oil drain underneath the engine. Okay, 7 be done. One more quarter. Okay, folks, this is the last quarter. I will fill it up in the engine. I will take the dip stick for see how is the level. Okay, take it off, clean it up, put it back in, and then we put off again and we see, okay, it's still we need more oil. It's in the middle size, so we need one more quarter. I will crank it for running for a couple minutes for see if they got some leaks and the oil gonna be spread inside the engine, all components and the parts on the engine. Okay, folks, after that, when you check the oil, fill it up and see the level is complete, we start reset. Okay, and then the dash panel, they show they got 29%. They got some controls, buttons control on the wheel. You seen it. This is you use it as the arrow for move it down or size and get that motor life. Okay, when you get the motor life and you use the arrow and replace, I put 100%. This is when you get 100%, the life, the motor oil, the dash control, they will show to you when they need the next change the oil. But anyway, you got another choice. Put the sticker on the windshield for the miles. Okay, folks, this is Sari. I showed all way to do it. Please subscribe my channel, put a like it, and share this video for the friends for help that change the oil on the 2017 Chevrolet Silverado.